Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Zendesk Sell, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the registration process with Zendesk Sell, open your web browser and navigate to the Zendesk Sell website. Look for the Start Free Trial button on the home page and click on it. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your first name, last name, and email address in the provided fields. Choose a strong password that meets the security criteria listed on the page. Next, select your country from the drop-down menu. Proceed by clicking on the Get Started button to continue. You will receive an email prompting you to verify your account. Check your inbox for a verification email from Zendesk Sell. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. After verifying your email, return to the Zendesk Sell login page. Enter your email address and password in the login fields. Click the login button to access your account. You will be guided through an initial setup process. Follow the on-screen prompts to customize your account settings. Enter your company name and other necessary information as requested. You can choose to import existing contacts or skip this step for now. Once your account setup is complete, you will be taken to the Zendesk Sell dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface and explore the available features. This concludes the registration process with Zendesk Sell. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.